Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send money using PayPal's friends and family option. First, log in to your PayPal account. Once you're in, navigate to the Send and Request tab. This is usually found at the top of your screen. Then, simply enter the email address or phone number of the person you wish to send money to. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, you'll need to specify the amount you want to send. After entering the figure, you'll be prompted to choose the payment type. Make sure to select Sending to a friend or friends and family. This crucial step ensures your payment is categorized correctly. Remember, this option is specifically for personal transfers, not for purchasing goods or services, which has different implications. Before finalizing your transfer, it's essential to carefully review all the transaction details. Double-check the recipient's name, email address, and the exact amount you are sending. Take a moment to ensure everything is accurate. Once you are confident that all the information is correct, proceed to confirm the payment. This action will complete the transfer, and the money will be sent. Finally, there are a few important things to keep in mind. When using your PayPal balance or a linked bank account, friends and family payments typically incur no fees for the sender. However, if you use a credit or debit card, a small fee, usually around 2.9% plus 30 cents, may apply. Crucially, these payments do not offer buyer protection, so only use them with people you absolutely trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.